Let me show you how to add a voiceover to TikTok. Start by clicking on the plus sign to create a new video. Now we can hold the record button or click the upload button if you've already recorded a video on your phone. But let's start by creating a new video. Let's hold the record button and capture this video of this microphone here. Now, of course, you can narrate along, but I'm gonna show you how to record a higher quality voiceover later. Once you're done recording, let's go ahead and click the check mark to move to the next step. Now make sure you don't click this add sound button here at the top. This is gonna override the voiceover function. Now you should have the audio editing option here on the right side of the screen. This will let you record a voiceover on top of your previously recorded video. Pro tip here, you can actually plug in a higher quality external microphone and your phone will automatically use that microphone for your voiceover. If not, you just wanna get nice and close to your phone like this, but I wouldn't put it right in front of your mouth because you might get some popping on the microphone. So just off to the side a little bit will give you the best results. Start by tapping or long pressing to record. This is a voiceover for this video of this microphone. Then you can press stop. Once you're done, you can go back and delete any parts that you weren't happy with. You can scrub through the video with your finger and the red will show you the parts of your video that have a voiceover. Last but not least, you wanna check or uncheck this option that says replace original sound with recording. What this is gonna do is replace your originally recorded sound on your camera. This may be useful for most videos, but if you're doing like a video of a nature scene or something like that, and you wanna voice over but still have the birds and the trees, you might wanna keep that. So just consider that while you're going through this step. Then we can save and move on to the next screen. Now we can go in and add music or sounds to our recording. This will play along with our voiceover, and that's why it's important that we add a sound in this step. Then finally, you'll have the option to adjust the volume of the music to taste. Now you can see the original sound here is grayed out, and that's because we've replaced it with our voiceover. You can't actually change the level of your voiceover, but you can play with this to make sure that the music isn't too loud. And voila, just like that, voiceover on TikTok. I hope this was helpful, and follow for more voiceover tips.